In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can follow friends on Threads. To do so, first, open your Threads application from your mobile devices. Now, from the main homepage, after you're logged into Threads, from the main homepage, tap on the search icon at the bottom left. Now, search for the people you'd like to follow on Threads. After you find the people you can follow, tap the follow button on the right corner. Also, you can tap on the heart icon at the bottom and then you'll be able to see the list of people that has followed you on Threads. Tap on the follow button right next to their profile in order to follow them back. Also, when you are first trying to link to your Threads account with your Instagram profile, you'll be able to see the list of people and brands you follow on Instagram. You can simply go ahead and tap on the follow button from the list and you'll be able to follow friends on Threads. If your friends haven't yet joined Threads, the request will be pending until they do. That is how you can easily follow friends on Threads. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these videos like this. Thank you for watching.